Hand welding a TPO seam the right way is the difference between a roof that leaks and a roof that lasts. In this video, we're gonna go over how to hand weld with the correct technique so that your welds and your roof will last. So the first step is we're going to clean the area that we're going to weld. At first, we can use a detergent and water, and then we're gonna use xylene just to touch it up. So if it's dirty at all, it will not weld. So this is a very important step. The next step is to weld an air dam. So an air dam is going to be a weld right back here. It's going to give us a second layer of protection, and it's also going to stop any bubbles from coming up. So I'm going to push outward, and I'm going to take my roller, and I'm going to go ahead and create my air dam right back there, right behind the area where my main weld is going to sit. Just make sure that your hand welder is set to the correct setting. I'm going to set it to about 7 for reinforced material. Around 6.5 to 7.5 is usually fine depending on the temperature. So now we're going to do the final weld. So when you're hand welding, you're controlling 3 things: heat, speed, and pressure. So if you make sure that these 3 things are correct, you're going to have a good weld. So the trick is I'm going to stick this gun in, I'm going to leave a little bit of it out, I'm going to keep it at a 45-degree angle along with my roller, and I'm going to keep my roller about 3/4 to 1 inch back so that I can get a good weld here. I'm also going to keep my gun nice and flat. I'm putting good firm pressure with my right hand as I'm doing this. Firm pressure is key to getting a good weld. So quick recap. So we're going to create an air dam first always and make that solid. Make sure that our welder is set to the correct speed. When we're welding, we're going to be at the same angle with good even pressure with this hand. And then when we're all done, we're going to let it cool, and then we're going to make sure that we probe and check the seam to make sure that it's good. This is the difference between a roof that might leak and a roof that will stand the test of time. So take your time and get this done right.